Hi there! Hi! We are Pablo and Anne from Tango Space, where we help men and women in London and in Paris to move better, express themselves, dance elegantly and meet friendly people with our tango lessons. And in this video we wanted to give you a small but really powerful tip to help make sure that your partner feels comfortable in your close embrace. So this is something that I work especially on with my follower dancers, but it also happens for our leader students as well, so this is for both roles. What happens often when you are dancing tango is that because you are there is so much to think about: the music, the space around you, your partner, your body, all of these things. It's very easy to tense up really tiny parts of your movement of your body, and one of the parts that tense up would be, for example, the wrists or the elbows, parts of your body that are in your embrace, which you absolutely want to keep relaxed. So reminder, the only thing that is activated is the muscles in the legs, the core muscles. The rest of the body is very relaxed. So here, what we see often when we are working with our students is a little bit of tension in the wrist. So I don't know if you can see, it's not very big, but we go from a wrist that is relaxed to my wrist that has tension. Yes, from relaxed to tension. And sometimes what we see as well, which is easier to see, is the elbow. Tension in the elbow, relaxed elbow, tension in the elbow, relaxed elbow. So when you are dancing, what you really want to think about is, okay, I am in the flow, I am powerful, I'm in control of my axis, but the rest of the body is relaxed. So when you are dancing, make some mental notes once in a while to check. Is my wrist relaxed? Yes. Is my elbow relaxed? Yes. If it's not, and it's just a little bit of tension, will feel very strong for your leader, for your partner, and they will not be enjoying their close embrace with you as much as they could. So I'm dancing, mental note, yes, relax my wrist. Yes, relax my elbow. And then you will see it's going to be much more comfortable in the close embrace, and also it will be more fluid. You will feel like you're connecting much more.
Yes, you're going to feel also much better for the leader when the embrace is relaxed, but with the leader we need to give, we need to offer that comfortable embrace as well to our partner, because sometimes it's a bit contagious thing, no? If I start putting tension in my hand or my arm, I will transmit this tension to her as well, yes? And it becomes very tiring, so you will feel after dancing that your arms are a bit tiring.
Yes, if after dancing you're here, it's probably because one of you were a little bit too tense and then the embrace became too tense.
Yeah.
Yes. So that's it. It's a small but very important tip to include into your dancing. We hope that it's going to have an impact in your close embrace and how comfortable you feel next time you're dancing. That's possible.
Yeah.
If this video is helpful, please like it and share it with your friends. If you're on YouTube, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We share weekly video tips to help make your dancing more comfortable, but also more connected, more powerful, more playful. If you are in London or in Paris and you would like us to help you feel more comfortable and more relaxed in your dancing, don't hesitate to contact us. We teach weekly group and private lessons and we'll be delighted to help you. And especially,
please keep learning and keep sharing your dancing, because the world of tango needs your embrace.
Yes, definitely. Thank you so much for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.
Bye bye.